Welcome to the lesson. We are designing a t-shirt and I'm super excited about that. So first thing first, when you open your Canva, I'm on Canva Pro because I believe if you're serious about Canva, you come on, get the Pro. But you can still follow along if you're on basic. Just the difference will be the fonts and a few things, but the lesson is just the same in terms of making a design of a t-shirt. Doesn't really matter. So search for t-shirt here on Canva. T-shirt size, good. Okay. I have a t-shirt design that I want us to recreate. The first way to learn how to create a t-shirt is actually to learn how to recreate one of the best-selling t-shirts or a t-shirt that you want to create. So I've just downloaded the t-shirt, uploaded it, and I'm stretching it out. And I've noticed one thing. First of all, the t-shirt is on a dark background, and I noticed that my background is white. I'm just moving. I'm clicking on the image and I'm moving it on the side, and then I've clicked on the background. I want to change the background to black or gray. This t-shirt is on a gray. It's gray, so it's dark. So let's work on a black background. Click up here. Let me just move it a bit. Yeah. Click up here. Move down. Come here to black. Select black, so the background is black. Stretch the t-shirt, move it up here, center it. I love centering it like that. Zoom in a bit. So let's see. Okay, first things first. Let's see, what are we working with here? So the first way to design a t-shirt is to understand how many layers, what actually comprises of this t-shirt. What is this t-shirt made of? Is it just made of text? Do they have special elements? Do they have any unique thing about it? What elements? What consists of this t-shirt? I can see this t-shirt is just a plain, very simple text-based t-shirt with different colored fonts, and there's a solid here. So let's start from the top to the bottom. So let's start with the text. Come here, text box, add a text box. Come here, the text, clip it at the end, as well here, and then write, I keep all my, spread it around. Okay, we need to change the font, first of all, to something bigger, better. Let me see. Let's work with the Edmond. Edmond is always good. And I see this is a bit of a distressed font. This is kind of a distressed font. So let's go with Edmond texture. It's a bit distressed. If you don't know the type of fonts, I have done a video, or rather, I've done a lesson. If you skipped to this point, I've actually done a lesson. Just go back. There's a lesson about the different type of fonts. Go watch the different type of fonts video before you watch this to understand the different fonts that we're using to design. So this is it's a distressed font, Edmond. So I spread it out like that. I keep all my, and then wait. Yeah, okay. I got the sizing good. I need the color. Click here. Click on the text. Sorry, tap on the text box. Come up here. Click text color. Change the. Come here. Get the dropper here. Pick a color. Come here with the dropper. Select the red. Good. I think we're good. Move it down. So let me show you. You can add a text box for you to write the dad jokes, but how the pros do it, come here, click it, and then duplicate it. And then just come here, write dad jokes, and then you can spread it around like that. It's very simple. Same process, come here, come up here, text color, come here, get the dropper. Let's look for that color. It's good. Perfect. Dad jokes there, and then come here, duplicate it again, write NA, come here, and then we need that color. Same process, come here, get the dropper, come back here, got the color, perfect. And then here, okay, let's go. Database. Okay, database. Good. Let's get the color as well for this. Same process, come here, get the dropper, come here, back, and that is the color. Perfect. And then you'll notice something. There's this orange solid at the back, and then there's this lines here. So that's how, let me show you how we do it. Let's first start with this lines. Come here, elements, and then get this line over here. This line, yeah, this one. Get it? It's very slim, as you've noticed. Very, very slim. You really can't see it. Let me close here. You really can't see it. But come here. Line style. And then line weight. It is the weight. Yeah, the weight. Yeah. Yeah, just play around with the weight. Increase the weight. I think 25 is good. Yes. And then rounded. And is it rounded? No. It's not rounded. It's not rounded. So it's good. Like that. The original design is not rounded. Okay, click it here, move it down a bit. Let me size it properly. Size it. It's now gripped to this one. I don't know why. Okay, move that one a bit. Let me size this one up. It's very tricky at times. Yes. Good. Doesn't need to be perfectly perfect. And then change the color. First of all, before we move, zoom out. Change the color, come here, line color here. And then get the dropper, same process. Get the dropper, get the color. Same color here. Yes. And then I can duplicate that one, bring at the top. And then I can duplicate again, bring at the bottom. And then I can... let me show you a trick. Then you come position. Position. You come layers. The three of them. You hold your control on your PC or command on your Mac. Select the three. And then you group. When you group, then you duplicate. If I'm too fast, remember, you can always rewind. If I am too fast, and then just move it on the side like that. And then we have the same exact design on opposite ends. Yes. So there's one more thing we have in designs. It all makes sense in a few. This yellow solid at the back. So come here, elements, get the solid here. It's actually, I think, almost the same color. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in a bit to get the solid good. Come here. Stretch it down. Before we move, let me change the color first before we stretch it out. Come here. I'm selecting the background color. Good, got it. And then I clip it here. Then, wait. I'm going to stretch it out. Good. I'm going to stretch it out. Perfect. So I think we're good. I need to now take this solid at the back here, and then I need to delete the reference image. So I think I'm good in terms of my reference image. I can delete my reference image, and voila, my design is here. So the only thing I need to start doing is to now start maybe sizing it up properly, making sure everything is lined up properly. Let me zoom in a bit. Let me line it up properly. And I love the magenta. You see the magenta guides. One thing about Canva, when you're stretching out shapes and text and everything, you'll find these guides popping up. Always follow these guides. They're very important because they balance your design. Okay, that. Yeah, you see it's balanced over there. And then I can come here and just arrange and center it. Perfect. And then I can come here and group. Because I want to do something, I want to clean it up. Select. Let me show you a pro tip. I can delete this. Yeah, I can delete that. I'm going to show you why. Come here, select all this. Because I've noticed they're not balanced. You see, they're not balanced. They're really not balanced. So to balance this, let me show you. Come here, select all of them. More. And then come here, space evenly, tidy up. Perfect. And then group them. And then space it up. Like that. You see, it's perfect. Aligned, and then you can duplicate it and then bring it here. Let me see if you can size it up like that, and then move this one. Wait, move this text because it's not sized up properly. Move this one to here. It's good. Perfect. Move this one here, sized up perfectly. The S there. This one. This. On the guides, am I on the guides? Yes. This one too. Bring it up here. Size it up according to the guides. Perfect. Everything's perfectly balanced. let it sit it on top of that. Perfect. And we have our t-shirt design. Group it up and then move it up where the guide is. Perfect. And that is how you make your t-shirt design on Canva. To make a mock-up, come here, create another page. The same design is here. Come and get black t-shirt, cute girl. Mock-up. Of course, we love cute girls wearing t-shirts. Come on. Mock-up. Who doesn't love cute girls wearing t-shirts? Cute ladies. I don't know why Canva is giving me babies. Woman. Cute woman. Black t-shirt. Woman. Black t-shirt woman. Photos. Yes. Perfectly perfect. So we can do mock-up. We can do this one. Yes, let's do this one. Stretch out the lady. Stretch out again. And come here. Select our... No, it's a woman. No, it's a dad. It's a dad t-shirt, not a woman. Oh, I'm sorry. Black t-shirt man. Yes. A dad. Yeah, this one. Yeah, he looks like a dad. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. He looks like a dad. Let's keep all his jokes in his database. keep all his jokes. Yeah, size it up like that. I move it like that. You see the magenta lines are also following us here. They want to keep us very balanced. Let me zoom in. I can close this one so you can see properly. I move it somewhere up his neck, middle, the center, where you at? Where? Yes, I got the line. You see, I got it. Got there about. So I love tilting my designs either a degree or two, because the human body is never straight 100%. Yeah, a degree or two. See, like that. And then, pro tip, I come here, reduce the opacity to around 85 degrees, 85%. And then when you zoom out, you can see the dad wearing the dad jokes. Maybe a bit smaller. Yeah, the magenta lines are guiding us. Good. Yeah. And we have our dad joke t-shirt there, and that's how you design a simple text-based t-shirt on Canva. Yes. And yeah, those are the buttons I've used. If you're a beginner, you can rewind and just basically learn which buttons I was using, what I was using. Basically, that's how you simply make a t-shirt design on Canva. You can create it, change this text, write whatever you want. I keep all my mom jokes, whatever, I don't know, sister jokes, brother jokes. Do whatever you want. That's how you basically design t-shirt design. Yeah. So yeah, if you're asking for the dimensions for this canvas, this is 4,500 pixels by 5,400 pixels. Is this simple standard design dimension that all t-shirts actually go are normally designed for. So if you've loved the t-shirt design lesson, please like, comment, share, tell me in the comment section below if you've loved it. Yeah, on to the next lesson.